members, and welcome back to the corner. My name is Heron, and I'm being accused of something.
Oh no!
Gigas?
I can't hear him. His mouth is moving, but I can't hear him.
What? Uh-oh.
I can't hear. I see the mouth moving. And I'm Warden, and I am the judge, the jury, the executioner, and I hope Gigas can record. If Gigas is recording his side, we'll see. It might be my.
I can't hear Gigas at all.
Hello.
There you
can
are.
you hear me?
Heron is accused of smelling like grass.
How did I know?
What a surprise!
Surprise!
Your Honor, I am here before the jury.
To
accuse
jury.
Heron
the sparse jury
of smelling like grass. Dun
All
dun
right.
dun.
All right, Heron, how do you plead?
I plea. I plea.
Do something.
I'm
I'm gonna hit you with the hammer.
I plea. I plea innocent.
Objection.
Overruled.
Objection.
I don't understand how this game
Overruled.
works.
I don't know what I did. Bye.
That's a witness.
I killed them.
Okay.
I got rid of them.
Your Honor, if I may.
You may.
He has no evidence.
No, you may not. You may not.
Okay.
How do I do any of this? I don't understand how this works.
Play the game, Aaron. Play it. Play it correct, or you will get stunned.
I don't understand.
Hey,
Your Honor,
what is happening?
he didn't prepare for his case.
you didn't let him prepare for his case. You didn't tell him who he was fighting against. It's a little bit on you there, prosecutor.
Well, that's the thing. It's improv.
I don't. The game isn't working.
All right, we'll be back. Okay.
Oh.
Free. What was that?
Free hugs.
Free hugs. Awkwardness. How does that help your case?
How does that help your case?
Because
It does not help your case.
Okay, fine. I'm sorry. There's one free hugs.
Your Honor.
Prosecution.
If I may. His free hugs was hugging the ground. That is why he smells like grass.
What do you have to say as a rebuttal?
I say that we shouldn't be focused on the fact that I may at this time smell like grass because he smells like cheese.
Ooh, the drama drops. Prosecutor, what do you say?
Objection. What does this have to do with the case?
Overruled. Stay on topic.
This is on topic.
What is your rebuttal, prosecutor?
If I may have the green light.
I thought you already had the green light. There you go.
Your Honor, I found some evidence that was at the scene of the crime.
Ooh.
This katana.
Oh.
Objection.
Your Honor,
What do you have to say?
he was cutting the grass with a katana.
Now your turn to talk.
Objection.
Security
The
camera.
security camera was off. He could have planted it.
Oh, the twist. The twist. Prosecutor, what do you say? Oh, he objected to his time. I guess he didn't want that.
I didn't know.
You don't have anything to reply.
And it was because I had a point that because I had a damaged charger.
Oh, it's looking hard for you. It's
Your
not
Honor,
looking
what
good
does
for you,
that have to do with the
prosecutor.
case?
There's no evidence. The camera wasn't recorded.
There's no what does that have to do?
There's no evidence.
There's no evidence.
You have no evidence.
Okay, well, I could just play this,
What is that?
I don't know what that does.
It means I'm buddy with you,
No, you're not. Rebuttal. Oh, he's done for a long time.
The reason why
Don't forget you guys have
a
witnesses too.
bad charger was because my computer had malware.
Okay, you're still not really helping the grass case though. I'm just saying.
What? Yeah, like, well, why?
Okay, this is your time to rebuttal, Gigas. Prosecutor, what do you have to say? I need more proof. I need more definitive proof about this.
Right here. Hair smells like grass because there's a hole in the garden. There's a hole where the grass was.
Ooh, Heron. That's a hard slam dunk.
That is circumstantial. I have a green light. Can I have a green light, please?
You have the green light. I give you the green light.
I don't. Okay, there you go.
You're out. I think you might be out of cards. I think you ran out of cards to play.
Skip.
Ooh, okay. Back to you, prosecutor. All right, you get 2 more cards.
Well, I would have thought that would have been enough evidence, Your Honor.
Don't backtalk me. Give me the evidence.
Heron was planning to use a plane ticket to flee the scene of the crime.
Oh, snap. Heron, what'd you say in reply?
No comment.
You're not helping your case.
Last chance, prosecutor. Remember that you can also pull in your witness if you want to. You brought in a stressed intern.
How do I do that?
I don't remember how.
Calling my witness.
I don't know how to actually do that. How do I do this? How do I end? I did it one time and I didn't know how I did it. Help me.
It's not working.
Help me. Bring a witness. Oh, wait, what? I saw it for a second. Bring the called witness to the stand or send them back to your seat. There we go. There's your witness.
Witness, did you or did you not see Heron cutting the grass with that katana? I apologize.
This does not help your case. Heron, it is your turn to talk to the witness.
Witness, was it true that the katana was placed there after I had already left for the day?
Oh, snap. Prosecutor, what did you say in defense?
Is it? What is going on here?
Follow the bit. Back to you, attorney.
Skip.
Back to you, prosecutor.
I don't understand.
Figure it out.
My final point of evidence. That seals all this. Case closed after this. The internet said so.
Objection, Your Honor. Objection.
What's the objection?
The objection is
no.
Last chance, defense.
It's the objection.
He's been free. He's guilty.
Yeah.
He's guilty as suck. He's guilty of smelling like grass. Oh no. Oh, I like being the judge. I like having the power. Oh, he's so sad.
Yeah.
All right, prosecutor.
Bonk him.
Ow. Oh, I don't like this. Oh, I don't like this at all.
All right, Warden.
Purplization.
Judge, I've called you today.
How dare you?
For the defendant has been accused of purplization.
Oh no.
I'm starting this off with the prosecutor. State your case.
Your Honor, I saw a gesture that was prohibited by law.
I don't even know how to gesture. Oh, I gestured.
It's prohibited by law. As a result,
I don't see how that's to do with purple.
Let me rebuttal. I will rebuttal with I don't know how to play this game. I will rebuttal with the fact that on my driver's license it shows that I am in fact not purple, but I am very pale. Extreme. I am neon white.
So why are you purple?
He's accusing me of purple. I'm saying on my driver's license, it does not say anywhere that I am purple.
Heron.
Thank you, Judge. Well, what you called? Oh yeah, it's the problem is it's the same button. You need to scroll through it again.
Oh yeah, there
we go. Your Honor, I have evidence against the city of Frozen Frozen at red lights because of his purplization. He has changed the colors of the red lights.
But it said it was frozen on red.
Then.
This is a traffic violation. I'm not calling you purple. You changed the red to purple. That is purplization by default.
I see.
Give it to me. That said frozen on red lights, which means it's stuck on red lights. I think what happened was you cut the cable, freezing the red lights where they stand. I had no such thing to do with the purplization of the traffic lights.
Ooh.
I can see my time.
All right. Heron, do you have anything more to say?
All right. I have evidence to support that he is lying. I found it in his diary.
No, not my diary.
Legasp. Anything else to comment on that?
You, Heron? I can't. It's not my turn yet.
Okay, he's not saying anything.
Well, you will find that the diary was in fact a treasure map leading to the key of my heart, and he's tried to steal it.
What?
I can see my time.
Well, I think. Objection. Order at the court.
Why are you objecting yourself?
You're the only one talking.
All right.
Come on, Judge.
Your Honor, I apologize for his case. I have medical evidence that supports that he does not know what he's talking about.
I see. Warden, what do you have to say about that?
I would like to call my witness to the stand.
All right.
Yeah, I won!
What?
I pressed the wrong button.
I win. I'm not guilty. I'm not purple.
What?
I've never been purple.
Hey.
All right. I am ready.
All right.
I'm accusing Gigas of only being okay at Souls-like games.
Whoa.
The accusation
That is
flies.
so rude on so many levels.
The accusation flies. All right, what says you in defense? It's the judges. I shouldn't.
Order in the court. Order in the court.
Sorry. I apologize.
I said order in the court. Alrighty. What evidence do you have in support of this, prosecutor?
My accusation is a leaked DM of Gigas telling me that he had to be carried in the Elden Ring fight.
Oh. What say you, defendant?
I have a diary that says otherwise. You made it all up.
That's circumstantial.
Oh, Ow.
I was talking long enough. You go.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
I have a broken contract. Gigas actually had partnered with a gaming company for Souls-like, but they broke his contract because he was just too good.
Oh. Do you have any proof?
I did. That was the evidence, sir.
Was the evidence? My bad.
Yeah.
I don't appreciate being called out. You go.
But there was an explosion in the distance. Did Gigas rig this and break the contract by blowing up the headquarters before they could fulfill the contract?
Or
I think he destroyed it.
You
can't talk.
Objection, sir.
No.
The explosion was because he was just too good.
You didn't even get.
Cool guys never look back at explosions.
Ooh. He makes a compelling argument. What say you?
He lost his shoe in the explosion, which means he's not a cool guy, which means that it didn't work. He's no longer a cool guy with a missing shoe.
Rebuttal. Taking too long.
I would also like to say that there has been a coffee shortage in the nation, and Gigas has had no coffee, which means he is tired, which means he is only playing okay at Souls-like games. And he has
energy
he is not
insufficiency.
awake enough to be good at the game. Exactly. I want a good one. I don't. Wait, what's a good one? Wait. Oh, that was a good one. There we go.
What is happening? Okay.
Okay, I can see my time.
All right. Alrighty, defense. You have one chance to turn this around. You may talk to the witness.
Well,
You need a chaos.
Oh no!
No! You're guilty! Oh no! I lost.
I pressed the wrong button.
I wanted to press my case. I felt like I was good on that case. I liked my bit. I had more to do.
You did good. I was gonna call him guilty.
How dare you, Judge? How dare you?
Hey.
I fart in your general direction. That was not the right button.
Quite rude.
Order in the court. Order in the court.
Judge.
haha.
I guess. There we go. Oh.
Hey, not editing videos and making Gigas to them.
I think that's fact. Internet comments say otherwise. The fact that I have edited all the recent ones. Did I actually use that card? I don't know what happened there. Did I use my card? Yes, I did. Did I use that card? Yes, I did. The internet comments say otherwise. That in fact I've been the one editing these videos.
Oh, what do you say in defense of that, prosecutor?
I have a sketchbook of all the ideas of sketches of editing stuff that I have done in the past.
But all that means is that you have edited videos. But Warden also edits videos. What say you?
I say if you check this gaming console, you will see how often Gigas is gaming instead of editing the videos. I have no time to game.
Oh, he makes
I can see my time.
argument. What do you say?
He doesn't like spiders.
That's your fear.
Hearsay. Objection, hearsay.
Sustained.
uh,
Try again.
What the? Your Honor, Warden couldn't do anything because a pigeon crash landed it into his computer and blew it up.
Oh.
I rest my
What say
case.
It was not actually a pigeon. It was just a worn out plushie, and he was okay, and I was able to continue editing my video. I can see my time.
That doesn't explain why your computer exploded.
Ooh,
When did the computer
sustained.
explode happen?
The computer explode happened because of the bird.
Well, I kept
Doesn't
all
matter
my
if it's a
files on
plushie.
an encrypted USB key. I kept my backup so I can continue editing on a second device. I can see my time.
What say
It
you?
feels like a speed run.
I took a page out of a comic book that Warden was reading instead of editing.
That's neither here nor there.
Yeah,
What say
well,
you?
I ate that piece of paper. I was a snack, so I could stay focused on editing. It was a
All
snack.
right, I have reached my verdict. Both of you, be quiet.
Ow.
No,
Your final piece of evidence.
I need the
He
light.
has no case. He has no case.
Warden was trying to cook all this time, but he's so bad at cooking that he had to look up YouTube videos to teach him how to cook instead of editing.
I see.
You got it there.
Just mortified.
No, I can't believe it.
No. Oh no. He's been caught. The defendant is by verdict of the court
I have a rebuttal, I
guilty
have a rebuttal. No, I had a
as suck.
No, I was going to call Uber Eats. I had a phone. I was just going to call my Uber Eats.
I think we have time for one more.
All right, we got one more. This is insane.
You know what? I say order. Order.
Ow! I feel like
Order
this,
in the court.
Your Honor, this is abuse. Your Honor, this is
Overruled.
abuse.
I accuse Heron of loving the CDI Zelda games. They're his
Gasp.
favorite.
Yes.
So dare he?
How dare you?
He secretly loves them.
Prosecutor, what's your case?
I installed malware on his computer to view his ROMs, and he has played both of the CDI games. I rest my case.
Aaron,
Your Honor,
that's a pretty good start.
I agree.
Lie.
Your Honor, I have security evidence that proves that I have never had a ROM.
So, but he installed it. So, you didn't catch him installing spyware on your device.
Oh, hit him with the gavel. Hit him with the gavel. Oh. To continue with my thing, here's
I did a shady mail swap, and I stole the footage off of the camera, and I proved that he removed the footage of him playing the game. I can prove that he took the footage off of his camera.
So, remind me to put a trial on you for hacking.
Aw.
Aaron.
Your Honor, my gaming console logged hours say otherwise. I've been playing nothing but pure Zelda this entire time.
I would like
see
to
right
reiterate
here.
that
Yes,
it was
yes.
on his PC.
I
would
see
like-
right here. Aaron. All right.
I would like to reiterate that he's playing the ROMs on his computer, so it's not on his console. But I will throw another thing. He has a figurine of the CDI Zelda. He has of Link going, I can't wait to eat some dodongos. He has a figurine of that one. I rest my case.
Writing this down. It's hard to type with one hand.
I rest my case.
You rest your case, huh?
For the moment. I can see the rest of my
For
time,
the
I mean.
moment. Aaron.
For the time being. He has
Overruled.
nothing. I would like to pull Heron's gardener to the stand.
I'm a gardener?
That's the wrong one. You need the red button.
That's your witness.
Heron's gardener, did you or did you not witness him playing it and ignore this bank full of a bank account full of money that I just gave you? She says yes. I can see the rest of my
Objection, Your
time.
Honor, that's bribery.
Order in the court. Order in the
Objection,
court.
Your Honor, that's bribery. That's bribery.
There is no evidence of bribery in this court.
I'm revoking your witness.
Aww.
Aaron.
I have a plane ticket that says otherwise. I was nowhere near my account when those games were played.
I see. All right. Warden, what is your closing statement?
That his glasses were broken and he misread his plane ticket, which meant he did not get to go on his plane ride, which means he had to stay home and he didn't have his vacation, so he spent the rest of his time playing CDI games. I concede my case.
But wouldn't that also mean that he wouldn't be able to play his game?
No, because he just didn't. He can't.
Aaron?
Your Honor, Warden has a full ashtray.
Objection, hearsay. Objection,
He has
hearsay.
been doing a lot of shady stuff.
Objection, hearsay. Objection.
Overruled. All right. I think I have my case here. Verdict is not guilty.
I was wrong.
We
Release
will
things
be
for
doing a
except
trial on Warden for his crimes against multiple different things.
What are even crimes? Just a smack dab of bribery in the middle, okay?
And hacking.
And the full ashtray of a substance.
Oh no,
and,
I left.
Hacking
Hey, I can
and
neither confirm nor
installing
deny.
malware on another person's device.
I left. Hang on.
Hey,
Guys, can you unmute
gotta do
Discord?
what you gotta do in your court cases.
Well, we all found out that I'm good at Souls games. Heron does indeed smell like grass, and Warden is going to be on trial for multiple different charges.
But I do edit the videos. I'm not guilty of that.
The videos. Well, no. The verdict was I edit the videos.
No, I was not guilty. I was not guilty of that crime. I was
What was
ruled
the
not
remedy
guilty
again?
because Heron pressed the wrong
Sure,
button.
Yes.
Guys,
All right. Well, I
guys,
hope you guys
help.
all enjoy this one-off video.
Guys, help.
And, we'll see you all the next time.
Guys,
Talk to you guys
Guys.
later. Bye. I
Bye.
guess Heron left. Aaron went to jail.
guys.
Hi.
Hi. What was the room idea again? I got kicked.
Well, we were ending the video, so.
What, guys?
Well, how are we supposed to know? It's okay. We just said that you went to jail.
What? I was free. That big.
Well, you want to have a rebuttal? We can have a court case.
We'll do one more here.
And we're back. You thought the video was over. It didn't happen because somebody might have joined in a little late. He might have got kicked from the
Your
server.
Honor, I was sleeping.
Aaron may or may not have been kicked from the game. So we're doing one more round. What say you, prosecutor?
Your Honor, I'm accusing Gigas of ending the video too early.
Oh, snap. Alrighty. Defense, what says you?
Your Honor. I had a cracked screen.
Ooh, an okay defense, but I don't know.
I
It
had to
sounds
go
kind of
take
like
care
a
of
you
it.
issue. Sounds like a you issue, honestly.
Your Honor, I have a stained apron that justifies that he not only broke his computer on purpose, because he spilled grease all over it.
Ooh, that's hard evidence right there. What says you, defense?
I couldn't do anything. I had to stay at my computer because I'm terrified of spiders.
That's what I say. That's a pretty weak defense. Go again.
It's a real defense.
Gigas has a disposable 3312 cell phone that says otherwise, good sir. He could have left at any point to replace his equipment.
But he was afraid of the spider, so he
spider?
couldn't move.
Where was the spider?
Back to you, defense.
There was somebody staring at me in the subway, so I got scared to leave my house. So I had to stay here along
Ooh.
with the spider.
Okay. I was about to hit you with it, but it was because you were stuck. I still don't see how any of this proves that you ended the video too early, but let's continue.
I have a burnt wooden spoon, Your Honor. That signifies once again that he poured grease over his computer.
Objection.
What say you?
I've had years of culinary school, so I would never burn a wooden spoon.
Overruled.
Oh, poor guy gets.
I have an angry bird that says otherwise.
How?
Objection.
I got sustained. He didn't.
There it is a bird.
Oh, what says you?
What says you, prosecutor?
And you're right. I am a bird, and I'm angry that you ended the video too early.
What says you, attorney?
Heron is a bird, so therefore he has no human rights. Therefore he cannot be the prosecutor.
Ooh.
I have a friendship bracelet made by both of you that says otherwise.
Xenophobia in here.
I also have that Heron had an old banknote that he had to get to the bank, so he had to leave.
Ooh, Heron willingly left. Ooh, that's a good twist right there. Heron, what says you? This is your last piece of.
Your Honor,
Your last piece. Go ahead.
Your Honor. I can't do anything.
Oh, you're out of pieces.
He has no
snap.
evidence.
All right. Wait. I will allow the prosecutor to call their witness. I almost pressed the wrong button.
What says your
Honor,
prosecutor?
I call Mrs. Gigas to the stand.
Apparently, Mr. Gigas is a homeless man.
Your Honor,
Mrs. Gigas, did
Your Honor,
did he in fact end the
Mrs.
video
Gigas is
before
not
I
here.
was ready?
All right. We know what this is. This is just hearsay. He is not guilty.
Yeah.
Uh, hearsay arguments will not save you, Heron. Okay, do we want to end the video legitimately now?
Yes, please. Before something else happens.
It's so true.
I really enjoyed this. I don't think anybody understood what was happening for a good 10 minutes there, but it's fine.
It took a little practice, but we got it.
Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this episode, this one-off video of Guilty as Suck, all improvised by yours truly and them. If it wasn't clear that we were exceptionally disorganized. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see this game again, please let us know, and we'll actually do some proper prep work for it. Until then, be on the lookout for more videos from us. If you guys have any games that you want us to do as a one-off video as a suggestion, you're more than welcome to throw that in the comments as well, and we will take a look and see what we can do for it. But anyways, yeah, catch us on Twitch, because we are streaming a fair bit right now, streaming Borderlands.
Oh, snap.
And on Thursdays at specific times that are located on the Twitch page, as well as when me and Warden tackle some Mario 64 mods. We're playing through Bizarre right now, and it's been a lot of fun.
Oh yeah, he's getting his butt kicked so many
Without
times.
further ado, hope you guys all have a
Absolutely.
great day. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Have a great day, y'all. Deuces.
Bye.